everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making healthy smoothie. In my video I have soya milk. This is the original soya milk. You can choose to get the one that is unsweetened as well. So I'm gonna add this unsweetened soya milk. I've got apple, I've got pineapple, I've got strawberry, I've got banana as well. All of my fruits are frozen. This is frozen strawberry and banana. I've choose to use this because normally if I will use the fresh one, sometimes they might get spoiled in the house. So when I buy this one, I can reuse it. That's why I'm using my frozen strawberry and banana. And I've also got my frozen pineapple to sweeten my smoothie. Like when it tastes somehow, you might not enjoy it. So I'm just choosing to use my frozen pineapple chunks here. It's already cut there. It makes my life easy rather than buying the original, the fresh pineapple, and to be cutting it is a lot of stress for me. So I'm just choosing to use this one. Plus I can keep it in the freezer and I can reuse it. So I added that to my smoothie, and I'm adding my fresh apple now. It's better for you to just use a fresh apple. There's no need for you to go for a frozen one because you want to get that taste. Yeah. So and I'm gonna blend it. I'm blending it in my smoothie blender. Some people can use their normal blender. It doesn't really matter because even when you use your normal blender, it might just blend it quickly. But with a smoothie blender, because it's small, sometimes it might like take a bit of time. You have to take it off, you have to mix it because actually because it's frozen, it's gonna give a bit of tough time for you to blend. So see, that's what I'm talking about. So it's not blending properly, and I'm adding a bit of soya milk to see if it's gonna blend. But if you were using your normal blender, I think you should just blend at once. So and I am just blending it now. And look at this, I'm blending now. So when it's not blending, just feel free to use more soya milk. Don't be shy, just use more and it's gonna get blended, and that's it really. So when I'm done, I'm gonna pour it into my smoothie cup and I am going to enjoy my smoothie. And at the end of, just stay tuned to watch the end of this video because you'll see how my son enjoys drinking this smoothie, and everyone in the house have enjoyed drinking this smoothie. And it's healthy and you can use it for breakfast. Sometimes when you don't want to eat anything, just use it for your breakfast and you don't have to worry if you're not eating anything or not. It's good because it's got your fruit, it's got your 5 essential a day, and you don't have to worry eating banana, apple, this, that. Everything is there, and that is healthy. Sometimes if I don't want to eat at night as well, I might choose to just take this one. It's filling, it's healthy. You can use it for breakfast, you can use it for dinner, and it's got everything you need there. Because you're losing weight doesn't make you to want to not eat anything. Just try and make this smoothie if you want to skip breakfast or dinner, and you're sure to get all the nutrients you want. Even when you're doing your exercise, when you have everything in there, it's good. And at the end of this video, my son is enjoying the smoothie. Thank you so much for enjoying our video today.